On this quick tutorial, we're going to go over the new features of the EZ FLipbook Creator book. Here we're seeing a resume booklet that is leading users to affiliate-based pages that user can then use in creating their own resumes. Now this is a paid item right now, that's why the blur is enabled, and this is going to get processed right through PayPal. So this is one of the features that is available for everybody. Let's dive into our admin section right now. So this is the administration section of this flipbook, and here are some of the features. In this new version, we have added the ability to set a flipbook password and the ability to add a lead capture form before a person reads it. So we're going to enable this. Now you can enter your own custom text right here, and you can ask the user to enter their first name, last name, or just their email address, as well as that the skip buttons. Let's take a look at what this would look like, and let's remove the page blur at this point. And we're not selling it, so we're going to remove that, and let's reload the page. So now it's asking us for an email. If we enter this, the information will be saved right in here with the lead capture, and you'll get a notification in your email. So this is a great way to capture and build up your email database for your e-store, for your YouTube channel, for your vlog channel, for your blog, anything that you desire. Now let's remove the lead capture form and let's start adding the pages. All right, so we're going to go into our page layout, and I'm going to show you how to add image without using Photoshop and how to crop them. So here we've got several pages here of resumes that are leading users to custom URLs. Right here you can see this is the page URL. You can assign custom buttons, you can crop images. So let's go and add a couple of pages. Now from these options, we're not going to get into this right now, watch the other tutorials. We're going to use the URL image rip. Now you got to make sure that you have the copyrights of the images you're importing, because you are solely responsible for the copyrights of the images. Now here is, for example, one resume that we wish to add and link out to, because we get paid affiliate commissions for anybody that actually purchases this. So this is one way to build out your flipbook store. So we're going to go and copy this image address, and we're going to paste it right in here. Make sure it's a .jpeg only, and let's click import. All right, so now we can see that it's very elongated, so let's crop this image. We're going to select just the top portion, click crop, and now we have our page. Now we're going to go and grab the affiliate URL, and we're going to paste this in here and assign a button, and that is it. Now we have our page, but let's add the second page, once again using the same URL image rip. If you have any issues cropping images, you can always just save the image on your computer and upload it manually. Oh, actually, we're going to go and take the bottom now. And this one doesn't really need. Let's preview this now. And boom, there it is. And let's click here, and now it leads us to the purchase page. Now let's change the order of these two pages. We're just simply click, drag it, and changes are done in real time. The new feature that we've just added into the Pro version is the ability to upload custom images for your backgrounds and the ability to display and hide the toolbar. So that is located under your Flipbook settings option, under the skin tab. So now we have a lot of presets in here, so you can pick the ones you like, or you can go and upload your own image. You can also brighten or darken image, which means, again, not needing to use Photoshop or any paint program. So let's switch this to more corporate image like this. We're going to leave this. Let's darken the image actually, and let's save it. So this is what we're seeing right now as the background. Now let's reload it, and now we are seeing this. You can add custom purchase messaging, metadata, and as I said, you can now set your flipbook password as well as convert PDFs or DOC files right into your interface and create an immediate flipbook. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me up on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/inmarcinmicto, or send us an email to info@TheLogicBox.com or TheLogicBoxGroup@gmail.com. I'm also on Facebook, so hit me up and come in on our beta. We are still looking for beta testers for the next version, real estate agents, recruiters, and other people who may benefit from having a digital catalog linked out to possibly their store. Thanks so much for watching.